Hey guys, Ludgonious here. Today we're going to do another instructional video. This time we're going to do the slave driver bot. It's in 2 LIU Atlas episodes, and a lot of people have requested to see how it's built. It's small enough where we're actually going to be able to meet that request. So if you get zoomed in here, we'll show you how it's done. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is start with the head here. Here's what you're going to need. Going to need a Travis brick. It's a 1x1 brick with the studs on every side. We'll need 2 1x3 plates. We will need 5 of the 1x1 plates. We will need 3 of the 1x1 tiles. We're going to need 4 gray cheese slopes. We're also going to need a 2x2 dish and a little 1x1 rounded plate. I'm using green. You can use whatever color you want the eye to be. So we'll start off using our 1x3s. Each one of them we're going to put a 1x1 plate in the middle, and we're going to flank that on both sides with a cheese slope. So kind of building like a little triangle shape here. In the middle of each one of those we're going to put one of our 1x1 tiles just to round it off. Those will be the sides of the head. Okay, so then we'll get our Travis brick. On each side of that, the part that accepts a stud, we'll put a 1x1 plate, and opposite of it on the top also 1x1 plate. The eye, or the green translucent piece, will go into the part that accepts a stud right down there, and the dish will go on top there. That's the top of his head. For the back of the head, we'll use this last 1x1 plate and the 1x1 tile. Put that opposite of the eye there, and now we're just going to put the sides of the head on here. And there you go, there's the head of a slave driver bot. So next we'll work on the body here. Okay, next we'll work on the body. One of the easier parts, we got 2 headlight bricks. We've got a 1x2 modified plate with a little handle on there. We've got 2 1x1 modified plates with the little light acceptors on there. We got a 1x2 tile grill. We got 2 1x1 clips, and we got a T-bar. So the first thing we're going to do is connect that T-bar into these clips like this. Make sure they're nice and pushed together, centered on there. Then we're going to take our headlight bricks, we're going to lay them down like this, and we're going to use the 1x1 modified plates on each one of them. Now you can see it's still in 2 parts, so we'll keep that together with our clips here. So now we got that, and then the 1x2 modified plate for the chest, we'll push it right down into there, and we'll just put a little tile on it for decoration. So then we can bring our head in. There's that stud left on the bottom. Just goes right down onto the body. So it's good posability. It can look either way. It can look up or down. So now all you do is add some arms and legs. Okay, now we're going to work on the arms. I've already completed one, so the parts I'm going to show you are going to need ×2. So for each arm you're going to need 2 of the 1x1 cylinder bricks. You're going to need one of these hand signal minifig batons, another T-bar, and a 1x1 clip. So the T-bar will go down into the 1x1 cylinder, and we'll use this signaling baton. It'll be kind of like the elbow. And in order to put the hand on, we'll put another 1x1 round, and we'll put a little clip on there to make sure it doesn't slide too far down. So that way, no matter which side of the robot you put it on, it rotates. The hand can move as well. So let's go ahead and connect these onto our body. They go into these 1x1 modified plates. T-bar should just slide right down in there. There's one arm. And the second arm. So once again, good posability. It can move its hand, it can move its elbow, it can move its shoulder joint. And we'll go ahead and work on the legs now. Okay, so next we'll work on the legs here. Once again, I've already completed one. So you'll have to do this step twice that I'm showing you here. We'll need another headlight brick. We'll need a 1x1 tile. We'll need 2 of these modified 1x1 plates. We need a lightsaber handle, and we need 2 cheese slopes. So the easiest way to start it off is to take your headlight brick. It's going to be upside down, and you're going to take a 1x1 modified plate and put it at the top of that, and you're going to go ahead and put a tile at the bottom too so it sits flat. On each sides of this 1x1 modified plate, we're going to put the cheese slopes to kind of form the foot. It actually lies flat against that plate there. It's a good balance. For the leg itself, it's just going to be our lightsaber handle. Just goes in the top like that. And then the last 1x1 modified plate will come sit on there. So those will be our legs. We can go ahead and connect that. Let's raise the arm up here a little bit and give us some room. To the 1x2 modified plate that was at the bottom of the body build, if you remember. And just straighten those legs out. And there you go. Well, really posable. You can move a lot of different ways. You can also change out the hands for every one. A lot of episodes, they actually have a productivity prod on one of their arms. You can put guns, you can put whatever you want. It's really posable. I really like it. It's been in 2 episodes, and I'm sure it'll show up in some more. So there you go. Let me know how it turned out if you guys try to build one. Make sure you check out our website, www.ludgonious.com, and please like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys later. For the whole head, we'll put that 2x2 dish on there. So there you go. That is not right. Lay down like this, and the clips go on top of it, just like that. Oh, I'm sorry, I lied. Plate in the middle of each one of those, and I already screwed up. I need 2 more cheese slopes.